Colors in nature. Nature is beautiful because of its colors. You can see colors in animals. You can see colors in flowers. You can see colors in leaves. Even the sky shows different shades of blue. What color do you see in the rainbow? A rainbow shows examples of natural colors such as red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Here are the examples of things in their natural color. Stones, plants, sand, and many more. There are three groups of colors. The first one is the primary. The second one is the secondary. And the third one is the tertiary. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. The secondary colors are orange, green, and violet. And the third group of color is the tertiary colors. The tertiary colors are red-orange, yellow-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet, and red-violet.